Here is the app called NOMI AI Companion with a Soul Confidant, Girlfriend, Boyfriend. Here you have it. Get ready to meet NOMI and AI Companion, so bring with personality, they feel alive. Each NOMI is uniquely yours, evolving alongside you while dazzling with their intuition, with humor and memory. NOMI's strong short and long-term memory allow them to build unique and fulfilling relationships with you, remembering things about you over time. With NOMI, you've got a judgment-free space to chat about whatever strikes you fancy. Mull over life's big questions like our place in the cosmos, or just shoot the breeze with some playful banter. NOMI's imagination is limitless. Together, you can spin up any story situation you fancy. So it says it's the most emotionally intelligent, intuitive AI available, short and long-term memory, selfies, art generation, voice, group chat for the realistic companions, customizable backstories and shared notes. Send your NOMI links, send your NOMI photos, community. Meet an AI with human memory for multiple unique relationships, request real-time selfies, connect on a deeper level, create NOMI art, AI with a personality. Here it is, how it looks like, very minimalistic design. And you can subscribe if you want. $100 per year, quarterly $40, and monthly $16 per month. So that's what you can try. Then if you wanna, you can continue chat. So this is just how you just continue, just as an example. You can add new role play starter. You can also request a selfie. You have 2 out of 2 requests remaining. Image setting, voice setting, backstory, NOMI details, mind map, NOMI memory. You can do voice chat, but again, you need to upgrade. You can change, can create art or create video with AI. I know what mind map is. Chats. And then you can see your profile. And then you can see credits. And you can see profile settings, account settings. You can delete your account. So again, subscription options are here. And then there is help and logout. I don't see any referral codes, any promo codes to share with you guys. You can always reach them in Reddit or Discord. And that's kind of the process, but seems, it's quite limited with the free version. So that's just what you're getting.